Welcome back to Writing Workshop, boys and girls. We are going to review our writing process and then we are going to begin another all about book. We have to think of an idea and then touch, talk, and draw across the pages about what we want to teach our readers about our topic. Let's review the how to write an all about book. Again, think of a topic. It can be a thing, a person, a place. Then write all about that one topic and add details. Miss Allen have been thinking about the classroom. So this week, I want to model my all about book using the classroom as my topic. On this page, my cover page, I want to draw the classroom. And I remember the classroom having a library, smartboard, the rug, the tables, and maybe I can draw that on this page, on my cover page. So that's going to be my cover page. Like that. Okay, so I'm going to put this behind. We have been working on our introduction. So on my introduction page, I was thinking that I can draw you guys in the classroom and I can write, I will teach you all about the classroom. My introduction. And this is the classroom. These are the students, that's you guys. The library, the smartboard in the back. You guys are on the rug. And there is the table from the cover page. On the first page, I can write to teach my readers about the classroom library. And in the classroom, we have the library. So I'm going to draw the library here. I'm going to move this page. I'm going to show you page 1, our library. And our library have our leveled books in there. And it's right next to the rug and the smartboard. So that's page 1. And I can write, this is the classroom library. On page 2, I can write to teach about the Math Center. And in the Math Center, we have numbers and blocks, our 10 frames, our cubes. We have our shapes. And I can write, this is the Math Center on page 2. So for our third detail, I really had to think hard about what to write. And I remember the Writing Center. And in the Writing Center, can you guys remember what's in the Writing Center? We have writing paper, we have our pens, our pencils, we have our folders, so many things in our Writing Center. So on this page, on the third page, I'm going to draw the Writing Center. And this is my bin with the paper, our folders, and all the things that we need, the pens. And on the last page, we normally have to write a conclusion. And on this conclusion page, that's when we tell our readers, now you know all about the classroom. And that's what my conclusion page is going to look like. Right? Classroom. So, boys and girls, if you need ideas on what to write about, take a look at this idea sheet. Remember, you can write to teach about a friend, family, school, a special place, maybe a book that you've read, bugs, or any other animals, food that you like and love, holidays that you've shared with family, toys, favorite things, maybe a birthday, pets, your teacher, vacation that you've been on, a boo-boo that you've gotten, recess, cars, what you want to be when you grow up, or even teach all about yourself. Okay, so let's review our book one last time. All about the classroom. Then for my introduction, I'm going to say, I will teach you all about the classroom. On page 1, this is the, look at my picture, library. Page 2, this is the, with the numbers, math center. On page 3, this is the writing center with the paper and stuff. And then on our final page, now you know all about the classroom. Boys and girls, it's your turn. You think of a topic, touch and tell a friend or a family member what you're going to write about on each page, and then draw a picture. And tomorrow we will work on our labels, our words, and our sentences. Have a great day, boys and girls.